how to use Gemini. So basically, if you want to use Gemini, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is open your browser and go to gemini.google.com to access it from the website. Or you have the Gemini app. Gemini also has a premium version of itself known as Gemini Advance. Now Gemini is also just another AI chatbot made by Google, and all of the data are also put by Google, but Gemini has a couple of extra features even on the free version. One of the features that it offers is this upload image to analyze it option. So you can choose to upload a certain image right here and ask it to analyze it even if you don't have premium. Unlike ChatGPT, where you need premium to analyze a certain image, on Gemini you don't have to do that, and you can ask any queries. As you can see, any of the things that you can see over here, you can choose to ask any queries over here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically figure all of those other settings as well. So you can see Gemini Advance on the left hand side, nothing much, it's just a chatbot, and you can see a couple of settings option. You can have some gems, you can add some extensions to it, and all of the other features as such. Either way, I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.